Good morning everyone. We all know that lemons are acidic and Eno is basic. But instead of just asking you to believe it, I will prove it with the help of an live experiment. So the solution that you see in my hand right now, it is a natural indicator. I have prepared it at home using China rolls. You can see that it is slightly pink in color and it is Eno solution. It is mildly basic. When I will add a few drops of the indicator in it, it will change its color. It will turn slightly green. We will see it after some time. Now it is lemon juice. We all know that it contains citric acid, so it is acidic in nature. Now I will add some drops to it also. And as it is an acid, it should turn red. We can see that it has changed its color and become red. Now come back to the Eno. We can see that it has shown a slight change in its color. It will turn green after some time once the fizzing is stopped. It has turned some yellowish green. So the aim of this activity is to show that how natural indicators can be used to know the different types of materials present at our home and determine whether they are acidic, basic or neutral. I have prepared this chart. Thank you.